haircut itself is a modern take on an old shag. Lots of layers, lots of movement, heavy fringe, aggressive lines in certain ways where it's shorter to longer. For Laura's haircut, I used reset and preset conditioner. And for the refabrication while cutting, I used Shaper ID solely on its own. We really want to expose in this haircut the strength that Shaper ID can create. We're very proud to be able to say that we have the history of our techniques, and one of this is skimming. And skimming is renowned in the Sebastian sort of catalogue of techniques, which basically will reduce a lot of bulk within Laura's hair to fit this and head hug the shape to expose that length. So skimming, by elongating that stroke, we're actually cutting away the mass and fitting it in and going from shorter to longer, from the back right through to the sides. Then on that top section, again, this is something that we're really proud of, is one of our techniques called peeling. Using the blade as well, by pulling the hair vertically off the head, we go in and we actually sort of peel away the length and the weight, which diffuses the line and gives this really cool little sort of textured feel. So classic techniques on a really, really young, modern shape that really is so prominent to this day. And the Shaper ID, we wanted to focus on not cocktailing. We just wanted to be able to apply it for cutting, apply it when it's damp, and then reapply it and dial it completely up to try and create this super cool, edgy, rock and roll sort of now shape to Laura's hair. This haircut is very, very now. The young people that are sort of going for something that's bold. It certainly has a statement, because you've got something which is quite short through the sides, which opens up the face, strong, bold fringe, and then you're exposing all this length at the back.